For many, a daily dose of caffeine can help jumpstart the day. However, whether your go-to beverage is coffee, tea, or soda, cutting back on your caffeine intake has major benefits. In fact, striking caffeine from the menu altogether can transform certain aspects of your health. Keep watching to learn what happens to your body when you stop drinking caffeine and consider whether it might be the right move for you. First, the bad news: when you give up caffeine, you may be surprised by the adverse effects which can occur within the first few days of stopping. Depending on how much caffeine you drink, you may experience withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Headaches are among the most common withdrawal symptoms. These can last a few days to a week and can be managed with rest and hydration. Since caffeine causes blood vessels in the brain to restrict, omitting it in your daily consumption causes blood vessels to expand and the blood flow to accelerate. The added pressure in your blood vessels is the headache that you experience. To minimize the withdrawal effects of caffeine, you should taper off your intake, eliminating one caffeinated beverage at a time. Offset some of the withdrawal symptoms by practicing a healthy lifestyle for optimized energy. This includes staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, taking part in stress-reducing activities such as deep breathing, and getting plenty of sleep. Your sleep patterns may improve. Now for some good news: when you quit caffeine, one of the biggest benefits is a better night's sleep. Quitting caffeine may help improve sleep patterns and lead to better overall health outcomes because caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. That's because caffeine blocks the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep and relaxation, by binding to its receptors. This can lead to increased alertness and can cause difficulty falling or staying asleep. By quitting caffeine, the body can reset its natural sleep-wake cycle, leading to better quality sleep and improved overall health outcomes, such as improved mood, cognitive function, and immune function. You may experience less anxiety. Though initially you may experience a spike in anxiety when you quit caffeine, you may notice your anxiety lessening once you push past the withdrawal phase. Caffeine can increase feelings of anxiety, so quitting may help to reduce these feelings. In fact, the UK's National Health Service recommends quitting caffeine if you suffer from generalized anxiety disorder. Avoiding drinks containing caffeine, such as coffee, tea, fizzy drinks, and energy drinks, may help reduce your anxiety levels. When you stop drinking caffeine, your body may start absorbing nutrients more efficiently. Diuretics, such as caffeine, cause increased urination. That increased urination can lead to the depletion of water-soluble vitamins, including B vitamins and C. And those are not the only dietary benefits you may gain by quitting caffeinated beverages. Caffeine may also reduce the absorption of minerals such as iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and copper. Furthermore, it depletes the calcium amounts retained in the bones by inhibiting its absorption through the intestinal tract. Your heartburn may go away. If you suffer from heartburn, quitting caffeine could greatly improve your symptoms. That's because caffeine can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus and causing heartburn. However, it's not just the caffeine in your coffee that could be causing your heartburn. The acid in your coffee and fat content from added milk may also be behind your gastrointestinal issues. By opting for a low-acid decaf coffee and going easy on the milk, you may be able to improve your symptoms while still enjoying your morning cup of joe.